India has slipped 28 places to rank 140th among 156 countries in the World Economic Forum's Global Gender Gap Report 2021. This makes India the third worst performer in South Asia. According to the report, India has closed 62.5% of its gender gap till date. The country had ranked 112th among 153 countries in the Global Gender Gap Index last year. The report said India's gender gap on the Economic Participation and Opportunity Sub-Index widened by 3% this year, leading to a 32.6% gap closed till date. Most of the decline occurred on the Political Empowerment Sub-Index, where India regressed 13.5 percentage points, with a significant decline in the number of women ministers, from 23.1% in 2019 to 9.1% in 2021. Among the drivers of this decline is a decrease in women's labour force participation rate, which fell from 24.8% to 22.3%. In addition, the share of women in professional and technical roles declined further to 29.2%. The share of women in senior and managerial positions also remains low. Only 14.6% of these positions are held by women, and there are only 8.9% firms with female top managers. Further, the report estimated earned income of women in India is only 1/5 of men's, which puts the country among the bottom 10 globally on this indicator. Discrimination against women is also reflected in the health and survival sub-index statistics. With 93.7% of this gap closed to date, India ranks among the bottom 5 countries in this sub-index. Wide gaps in sex ratio at birth are due to the high incidence of gender-based sex selective practices. In addition, more than 1 in 4 women has faced intimate violence in her lifetime. About 96.2% of the educational attainment sub-index gender gap in India has been closed. Yet, gender gaps persist in terms of literacy. 1/3 of women in India, that is 34.2% of women, are illiterate compared to 17.6% of men in India.